In a moment when you go for the junctions, we need to indicate about good timing is 4 to 6 car space from the junction. Okay, so how much is a 4 to 6 car space? Have a look on the middle. Can you see this broken white lines in the middle of the road?
Broken, sorry?
Broken white lines in the middle of the road?
Yeah.
Okay, how many are they?
I just see only one.
Count again.
3, 4, 5, 5 of them. My
Yeah,
bad. Yeah.
okay.
There's one for the phone.
Yeah, each one of them represents 1 car space. And that's the distance we need to allow to indicate left. Not too early, not too far back. If you put too early, people think you're going to park or go into the house. If you go too late, there's no point. Okay?
Yep.
Off we go whenever you're ready. Now, in a moment when you go for the junctions, we need to indicate about good timing is 4 to 6 car space from the junction. Okay? So how much is a 4 to 6 car space?
I'd say this much from that white car to up here.
Okay? That's kind of like a 4 to 6 car space. Yeah? The 5 car is good amount.
Yeah.
In a moment, we're going to show me whereabouts we're going to indicating left. Now, I'll give you one of the guide as well. That's you're going to forget about it. Okay? Let's make it a move now, slowly. And wait for the tire to, front tire to get straight. That's it. And now go. As you pass this silver, as you go by very close to this van, I will just stop in the middle of the road, please. Keep going in the middle of the road, close to the van. And about now, stop. Okay, stop. This is the time we think the 4 to 6 car space you put the indicator on for.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I said 4 to 6 car, 5 car is a good amount because that's in the middle, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Have a look on the middle. Can you see this broken white lines in the middle of the road?
Broken, sorry?
Broken white lines in the middle of the road?
Yeah.
Okay. How many are they?
I just see only one.
Count again.
3, 4, 5, 5 of them. My
Yeah.
bad. Yeah.
Okay.
There's one for the phone.
Yeah. Each one of them represents 1 car space.
Okay.
So cancel the indicator. Go for the beginning of the 5th one. And stop. Good, stop now. So about in here we're going to indicate left. Just before that, check your mirror. So check your center mirror, left mirror, indicate left now. And that's the distance we need to allow to indicate left. Not too early, not too far back. If you put too early, people think you're going to park or go into the house. If you go too late, there's no point. Okay?
Yep.
Off we go whenever you're ready. Okay, stop for a second. Now you tell me, where's your car looking? Are you going straight or are you going left?
I'm going left.
But where's your car facing?
Front on the street.
Okay, straight. So in that case, ease of the brake. Ease of the brake, ease of the brake. We'll go far back. Ease of the brake. Ease of the brake. Take your foot off the brake. Take your foot off the brake.
Sorry.
Good. Now what we can see, can you see the curb is slightly going around the corner?
Yeah.
Okay. So check mirror, indicate left. Is tiny bit of accelerations. As that corner is hiding in, you cannot see that anymore. Can you see that corner?
No, I can't.
Okay. So in that case, we follow in the corner. Keep going. Keep going. And we come and stop at the line. Stop now. Good. Now look at the right hand side. What can you see? And if you lean forward, you can see even more better.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Okay. And now you tell me, your car telling you're going left, your body of the car telling you're going left. So you're not lying to anyone.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Otherwise, if you're saying something and doing something else, you're not contradicting yourself and you're confusing other people who are looking at you.
Yeah.
Okay? So in that case, keep looking, keep moving, keep turning. Why are you making the car straight? Are you going left?
Yeah.
So why are you making the car straight?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay? Slowly, slowly. Whenever we come to the junctions, come out slowly. In case someone comes, we need to stop again.
Yeah.
But because your speed is too fast, you're not going to be able to stop. And they can't really see you, so why they should wait for you? At the end, take a left.
So on this one, it's just here, right? On the three marks when we see, for example, on the when we used to take left before, yeah, there used to be 5 marks on the road. You know.
No, when there's a 3, you need to add 2 more in your mind.
Okay.
Okay.
Makes sense. So I just need to add 2 imaginary lines in my mind. Makes sense. And that's why I was like 3. That means maybe it's giving indication to it here.
Take a left. Now we go to the left hand side and pull up on the left hand side just after the lamppost on the left, please. Good, stop now and secure the car. Handbrake on.
Oh, is it this one?
Yeah. Okay, good. What do you think? How is your lesson going on?
I think it's going good. I'm making a lot of mistakes, like what I have learned so far. It's proving me that I still need a lot of things to learn, like the way to drive in the country. In my country, it's totally different. So yeah,
So
it's going good. I'm
what is
learning.
good going on?
I'm learning how to. So driving is all about not about your hand or your brain. It's all about observing at the same time. You need to look at the both mirrors, see if there is someone coming out, pedestrian or cyclist. At the same time, you need to know when you need to put the indicators on, what moment, and also at the same time you need to understand when a car coming in front of you, how you're gonna, whether it's your priority to go first or their priority, all of that.
Okay. Why I'm asking, why I'm making a stop in here, I wanted to see how you're finding the lesson so far. Are you learning? Is it something going on good on you, or are you finding it too boring?
No, it's good.
You're learning something.
Yeah, I'm learning something.
And that's the format I think is good for you, because many people learn many different ways. Some people watch how I'm doing talking. It's one of the first ways for improving anything. Some people like to draw me stuff. Okay, some people prefer from watching videos. All right, but I think how I set it up, how you responding me to back, it's going well. If you agree with me or not.
Yeah.
You agree?
Agree.
Okay. So in that case, there's no more discussion. We're just going to continue carrying on practice, and then we'll start doing the right turning in a moment.
All right.
Yeah. So let's make it a move when the thing is safe. At the end of the road, turn left, please. What I said?
Yeah, like ease of the accelerator.
Yeah, not too much power when you're coming in, alright?
I'm not sure, like I put it a little bit, I thought it's gonna go, but I don't know why it took it so fast.
Now we're going to look at the right turnings in a moment, alright? So take a left first. You check the mirrors?
Yeah.
No?
No, I didn't.
And how early or the late was the indication. Don't lose the focus, okay? Yeah. Don't lose the focus. Take a next road on the right. So in that case, what you need to do, we need to go to the right hand side. The last time we make the mistakes of going too early to the right hand side. So check your mirror, indicate right. Good. Keep your car continue going straight until the white lines in the middle, the 5 lines, level with your mirror. So until not that point, so those 5 lines not level with the mirror, continue carrying going straight. Slowly. Look at these 5 lines. It's going to level with the mirror in a moment. Keep going. And then do the turn. That's it. So until that point, follow the roads like whoever is going around the bends, and then do the turning. Earlier on, or the last time, you did the turning too early. You didn't wait for your mirror to pass those 5 lines before you do the turning. Okay? Take a right. Wrong side, too early, too fast. Go out and then come back in your side. You don't want to end up in the wrong side of the road.
No. Yeah, that's why I think I made it too quickly.
Too quick, yeah? So don't try to go to the wrong side. Stay on your side and then come out, okay?
Alright.
Go. Take a right turn, please. Keep to the middle of your lane.
Yeah.
And take a right again. So in that case, keep your car in the middle.
Yeah, in the middle.
Yeah, and white in here for this car, but they have got the first priority.
Yeah.
When they've gone past, then you do your turn. There we go. Take a right, please. You're getting too much of the. You keep to the left-hand side. Okay, where's the space for the one car? If there's someone coming, where's the space for them?
That's true. I have to move. So keep
Yeah.
it like middle, but a bit.
Yeah.
On that
So
side.
now go. Too late. Go. At the end, take a right. So you see the middle cracks?
Yeah.
Go to the close to that line, and that's it. Yeah.
Over here, right?
Yeah. And then do the turning. Taking next road on the right. So there's no white marking in the middle, right?
Yeah.
If I ask you to go outside and put the white marking, where would you going to put the marking? Show me. Point out to me.
Marking.
Yeah. If I ask you to put a marking in here in the middle, where would you going to put it?
Most probably you see this one, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no. Over here. And now it's the safest time to turn right.
Happy with the right turning now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think my steering is okay?
Getting better. Getting better. We're going to practice more and more. Okay. So
Yeah.
it's not a problem. How's your mirrors and signals are coming?
Yeah, good.
Good. We're getting ready for the main roads in a moment. Okay. So let's see how's your experience on the main road now. Okay.
Okay, let's go for it.